So next week I am leaving for 2 trips back to back. So first trip is a bachelorette trip to the Lake of the Ozarks. And then right after that, I get done with that on Sunday and I fly out Monday for Costa Rica. So I've got a lot of packing to do, so I thought I would take you guys along on my packing adventure. Stay to the end of this video for a little surprise. I'm not gonna tell you what it is because you're gonna have to stay till the end to figure it out. Let's do a little packing. For my bachelorette trip, I'm packing like swimsuits and nice clothes because we're gonna go out to dinner and things like that, and also do some swimming. So, and then for Costa Rica, it's more adventure packed, so I think I'm gonna pack a lot more like athletic wear and swimsuits and things like that. I'm honestly not 100% sure what I even should be packing. I just know that we're going on some adventures, so I probably won't pack as many like nice clothes, and I'm just doing carry-ons for each of them. So wish me luck with that one. My dog suitcase is gonna be my one to go to Costa Rica just because it has the 4 wheels on the bottom and it's easy to carry around in the airport with me. This one is from Vera Bradley. My suitcase for Lake of the Ozarks is just this zebra striped one that I've had literally probably since like middle school, and I believe we just got it at TJ Maxx. For Costa Rica, I'm going to be using packing cubes because my Costa Rica trip is 7 full days, and my Lake of the Ozarks trip is only 4 full days. So I'm going to need these packing cubes to help save space for my Costa Rica trip. First thing I'm going to put in here, off camera, is underwear. Next up is pajamas. So I'm going to do 2 pairs of pajamas for my bachelorette trip, and I think 3 pairs of pajamas for Costa Rica. So my bachelorette trip, I'm gonna do these cheetah print PJs and these striped PJs that I wear all the time from Gap. And then Costa Rica, I have very lightweight like satin silk pajamas just from Amazon. I know it's hot in Costa Rica, so yeah, I want to make sure that I'm nice and cool. I'm going to throw those in a storage cube with my underwear. Nice thing is you can shove so much stuff in this storage cube, and like here's my storage cube before, and then you just like zip it up, and now it's all compacted, so it just helps save so much space. It also helps organize my luggage, like everything that's in my suitcases as well. Alright, then for my bachelorette trip, I need a yellow dress and a black dress. These are both from White Fox. We're doing like a black dress night, and then a tequila sunrise night, like for our themes, and so yellow for the tequila sunrise. Luckily these dresses don't wrinkle very easily, so I'm not worried about putting them in my suitcase already. Next thing I need to pack for my bachelorette trip and Costa Rica are some swimmies. Okay, I need a black swimsuit for my bachelorette trip, and then a tequila sunrise swimsuit as well. And I got this swimsuit from Target that is literally the colors of a tequila sunrise. It's like pink and orange and red for this trip. I'm going to pack one more swimsuit just in case I need it. This one is just from Amazon. So I have 3 swimsuits in there, and now I'm going to pack some swimsuits for Costa Rica. For Costa Rica, I know it's more adventure-based, so I want to make sure that the swimsuits are more, like, secure. Alright, I'm going to put all my swimsuits in a storage cube. So I've got this blue one. I'm going to do this floral one from Kalani Kinis. I'm going to do this purple one. It's just from Amazon. And then I'm going to do my floral one from another one from Kalani Kinis. So 4 swimsuits should be good. Swimsuits. Now I need some active wear, and I want to pack mainly active wear for Costa Rica, and I'm just going to pack I think a couple active wear sets for my bachelorette trip just for like lounging and things like that. This is my active wear closet in here. It's kind of a disaster, but for Costa Rica I'm going to pack both of these pairs of CRZ yoga shorts with their matching sports bra. Okay, so here are the matching sports bras for those shorts. And I'm gonna put those in a storage cube. I'm also gonna just do 2 pairs of black Lululemon shorts. I'm gonna then do a red and pink athletic tank top. Okay, and then the last 2 athletic sets are these shorts from Halara and these shorts from CRZ Yoga. These are white, but they're old, so I'm like, if something happens to them, oh well. So I'm gonna find tops to match both of those. For the pink, I'm just gonna have this black Lululemon tank. And then for the white, I'm gonna pack this pink Lululemon tank. And then I'm just gonna grab a couple extra sports bras just in case. So I'm just gonna pack 2 black sports bras in case. One's from Gymshark, one's from Paragon. Alright, activewear in the packing cube for Costa Rica. Now I'm gonna pack a couple sets for my bachelorette trip. For my bachelorette trip, I'm gonna just pack 2 pairs of black shorts. These are from CRZ Yoga. These are from Lululemon. With the black, I'm gonna pack this green sports bra from Nike. And then this blue, like, longer line sports bra from TLF. Okay, that's all the activewear I'm packing for bachelorette. I'm also actually just gonna pack this CRZ kind of lounge comfy set for my bachelorette trip. For Costa Rica, I think I'm gonna need some tennis shoes for hiking and things, so I'm just gonna pack these Brooks shoes, tennis shoes. They're kind of already dirty, so they'd be fine for hiking. Other than those, I don't think I'm gonna pack any other tennis shoes. I'll have other shoes, but not tennis shoes. Okay, I am packing for Costa Rica just like a couple like casual but nicer than activewear outfits. So I have 2 pairs of jean shorts that I'm packing from Abercrombie. I have this green tank top from Target. And then I have 2 tube tops. This one is from Hollister. This one is from Amazon. I'm gonna pack just this green athletic dress. I'm trying to decide if I need any t-shirts. I might try to grab just like a couple t-shirts just in case. Alright, I grabbed a couple t-shirts. I grabbed this More Self-Love one from the Beach Club. It is hard for me to find t-shirts that aren't, like, I don't own a lot of t-shirts that aren't teacher tees. And then this one is just Billabong, and it says sunrise to sunset. Just in case, because those will match with my jean shorts or my athletic shorts. I do have shoes that I'm going to pack. So I'm going to wear the tennis shoes, and I'm going to pack my Chacos. I've had these Chacos since, like, my sophomore year of college, so they're probably, like, almost 10 years old. And I don't wear them a ton, but they're always good for this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna pack my Chacos. There's still sand in my Chacos. Okay, Chacos in one side, and then I'm just gonna pack Birks in the other. These are the shoes I'm packing. For my bachelorette trip, I'm gonna wear those tennis shoes, and then I'm gonna pack just white heels. I'm packing white heels because they'll match with my black dress or they'll match with my yellow dress, and these ones are really comfy. And then I'm also just gonna pack these white Birks. Okay, for my bachelorette trip, I'm gonna pack just this camo sweat set, just in case for sweats. For Costa Rica, I'm gonna pack my It's a Good Day to Have a Good Day sweatshirt from my merch line. I am gonna throw in these little sweat shorts though for Costa Rica. I'm going with GEEO Adventures to Costa Rica. So I'm looking to see if they have like a packing. Alright, it doesn't really say anything about what I should pack other than like the activities that we're doing. So I don't think I overpacked. I also don't think I underpacked. Okay, here are my nicer clothes. I always tend to overpack and I don't even use half the things that I pack. Like, here's the thing. You can always buy things if you forget. Like, if I forget something, I can just go and buy something somewhere. Like, it's not the end of the world. As long as I have my medication, my passport, my ID, money, credit cards. Really, that's the most important. Okay. trying to think if I need anything else for my bachelorette trip. So let me look at that itinerary for outfits. I think that's everything. Okay, so I'm gonna pack more toiletries when the day gets closer, but I use this like toiletry organizer from Bag Smart, and I kind of try to keep things in there. So I'm gonna wait and pack makeup the day before. I've got plenty of face wash and face moisturizer, so I'm gonna leave those in there. I do not need this anymore. Okay, so I'm almost out of my shampoo and conditioner, so I bought some more at Target. So I'm gonna add some shampoo and conditioner in my toiletry bag. I also have hairspray, which it might be nice to have hairspray for my bachelorette trip, so I'm just gonna throw that in there. Because I don't think for Costa Rica I'm gonna bring anything to like do my hair. I'm gonna bring hair gel, and I'll probably just gonna like slick it back or wear it natural, just because it's gonna be so humid that I don't think that I'm gonna have to really want to worry about it. Okay, I need to pack some body wash. For Costa Rica, I did get like this frizz tamer. It's Garnier brand. I have the day one, but I didn't necessarily want to bring the day one with me. This one was like $5. Yeah, because I think I'm gonna do quite a few like just slick back looks. I've got a huge thing of sunscreen for bachelorette trip since I'm not flying, but I have 2 small cans of sunscreen for my Costa Rica trip since I'm flying and I can't take the gigantic things of sunscreen, so I'm gonna put those in my bag somewhere. Okay, so I'm packing some perfume, some Amika hair oil. I'm gonna pack my wave spray as well. Since my hair, I'm probably gonna wear more natural in Costa Rica, and then some Aquaphor for my lips. Lots of ponytail holders. One item I know I can't forget to pack, which this is something I just slide on over my suitcase, is this Vera Bradley pillow and blanket. This is a Vera Bradley pillow blanket. So it doubles as a pillow and a blanket for travel. It has a strap on the back for to go over your suitcase. So it's super easy because you can travel with it, and it just unfolds to a blanket, and then it easily just folds back up. You just like that, and it's back into a pillow. So here's my surprise at the end is I want to give a couple of you, send you a Vera Bradley blanket like this that goes over on your suitcase, perfect for travel. So what I want you to do is comment where you're traveling this summer. If you're not traveling anywhere this summer, maybe where you're traveling in the future, or if you have a trip coming up. And then I will pick a few of you and message you and ask you for your address, and I will send this to you. Remember that I will be the only one messaging you, so if someone else messages you and says that you won this giveaway, it's only gonna come from me, so make sure that the message comes from me and not from some random person on the internet trying to get your address and steal your information. But yeah, that's it for my packing currently. Hopefully you guys will get to see some of my really fun travels the next couple weeks. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment so that you can be entered in the giveaway. Just let me know where you're traveling to soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.